John Virgo yapfuye. John Trevor Virgo, known as John Virgo, is dead. Condolences to his family, his friends, and all his fans. He was born on 5th of March 1946. He passed away on 4th of February 2026. He was an English snooker commentator and professional snooker player. After turning professional in 1976, Virgo won 4 professional titles, including the 1979 UK Championship, the 1980 Bombay International, and the 1984 Professional Snooker League. A member of the Sport Elite Top 16 for 7 seasons. Virgo is also former British Open World Championship semi-finalist and was runner-up of the 1980 Championship of Champions and the 1984 Australian Master. Virgo retired from professional snooker in 1994. Virgo had a successful career working for the BBC as a co-presenter of Big Break from the 1991 to 2002 and as a snooker commentator from the channel. John Trevor Virgo wamenyekanye nka Trevor Virgo yari umukinnyi w'umukino snooker ndetse akaba n'umukomentateri cyangwa yogeza uwo mwuga kuri BBC. Akaba yaratsindiye amarushanwa 4 yikurikiranya arimo iryo mu 1979 ya UK Championship, Bombay International yo mu 1980 ndetse n'iryo mu 1984 ryitwa Professional Snooker League. Virgo yarekeye gukina umukino wa snooker muri 1994. Nyuma yaho yatangiye gukomanta cyangwa kogeza umukino wa snooker kuri BBC. Akaba by'umwihariko yarakoze no mu kiganiro cyitwa Big Break kuva mu mwaka w'1991 kugera mu mwaka w'2000. Virgo had 2 children, a son and daughter from his second marriage. He and his first wife Avery separated in 1991 after 8 years together. Virgo died in Spain on 4th of February 2026, aged 79. Virgo yabyaye abana babiri ku mugore we wa kabiri. Umugore we wa mbere babanye imyaka 8 batandukana muri 1991. Virgo yapfiriye mu gihugu cya Espagne tariki 4 z'uku kwa 2024 afite imyaka 79. Virgo's death was announced by the World Snooker Tour on this Wednesday. No cause of death has publicly published. Urupfu rwa Virgo rukaba rwatangajwe na World Snooker Tour kuri uyu wa gatatu. Icyamwishe kikaba kitaratangazwa. May he rest in peace. Condolences to his family, his friends, and all his fans. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Uzi kubana nanjye, itekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyu muri comment yo kugira ibihe byiza.